The Prophet went to Fajr prayer early and came after the sun had risen, while Mother Juwayriyah was on her position making dhikr. So approximately an hour and a half, maybe a little bit less. So when the Prophet entered the house, he said, I said a number of phrases, a number of words that are more in the weight of the scale than all what you have said while sitting this hour and a half. What was these words? The Prophet ﷺ taught us to say in the morning,
سبحان الله وبحمده عدد خلقه ورضا نفسه وزنة عرشه ومداد كلماته.
how perfect Allah is, and I praise Him by the number of His creation and His pleasure, and by the weight of His throne and the ink of His words. And the sunnah is to say these phrases or words 3 times in the morning, not in the evening. And it's an issue of dispute, but this is the most authentic opinion.